Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this particular session, we will talk on different state counseling update. And today, Gujarat state has released its notification regarding the counseling process and registration. So registration is going to start, okay, and we will talk on that. Who are the eligible current candidates and which are the states where you have still option open to do the registration, and who are the candidates are eligible for those registrations. We will talk about all India counseling expected date for registration processes to start, and what can be the scenario regarding OBC EWC reservation Supreme Court decision, and all such details. Okay, before that, if you are new to the channel, you can subscribe the channel, and you can avail our paid guidance services. For that, you can call on 9319 Okay, in case you have any kind of inquiry, then you can text us or send us WhatsApp messages on the same number. For inquiry, you must send the details, because you call, then it might not be like sufficient time available to answer your inquiry. Okay, so you better send WhatsApp message. In the message, you put your rank, your preferred branches, your home state, okay, and how much is your budget. Accordingly, the team will reply whether it's possible or not, and how you should proceed. And in case you want to talk in deeper detail regarding all the college level information, stipend bond and all, definitely you need to go for paid service. Okay, so let me talk about starting from Gujarat state counseling process. So as you can see on the screen, the notification from government of Gujarat, okay, and it says that the registration is starting, online registration starting from 12th of November, and it will go on until 16th of November. Okay, and you can do your document verification, submission of photocopies of documents at the help center from 12th to 17th. So one day extra for your document verification, and you have to pay 2000. Okay, and help desk number will be closed on holidays and Sunday, and the website where you need to go for registration is www.medadm.gujarat.org. Okay, for NRI candidate, they need to submit 25,000 as on to particular details provided. Okay, they need to create a demand draft, and they need to submit at the particular details. Okay, so this is the dates. Now I will let you know how you can proceed with the counseling process, how you can visit the website, and how does it look, and what options available there. So once you enter the website address, you can see here, this is Gujarat NEET PG counseling website, where you can do the registration. Okay, and you have the procedure for online registration for PG, process of online admission. You can click on open it. Okay, instruction for NRI candidates, format of undertaking for GMC registration, authority letter, and all such things. Okay, so I will tell you who are the candidates, because Gujarat is a closed state, it's a domicile state. It means candidates coming from other than Gujarat states are not eligible to participate for Gujarat state counseling. So who are the candidates eligible for Gujarat state counseling? The candidates who have done their MBBS from Gujarat private or government medical colleges, the candidates who have done the MBBS from deemed university, just Sumandeep is a Jain minority medical deemed university. The candidates who have done from there, they are also eligible. The candidates whose domicile is Gujarat, okay, they are also eligible. The candidates who have done their MBBS from foreign, they are not eligible for Gujarat state. Okay, so that's eligibility. Okay, and let's talk about other state updates. So as you can see on the screen, Madhya Pradesh registration is going on. Andhra Pradesh registration tomorrow is the last date. Okay, Punjab has extended its registration date, so you can register. and for document verification, only for those candidates who come under Sikh minority, they need to get their document verified at the respected institute, that is GS Guru Ramdas Medical College, GSRD. Okay, and Rajasthan, Jharkhand, Maharashtra, Telangana, these are the states, okay, which are involved. They are going to soon start their registration process. Gujarat has already started. I mentioned about it already. Okay, so this is update for the other counselings, state counseling. Okay, coming to All India counseling, when it is expected to start. So the All India counseling process is expected to start only after 16. 16, if you know, is the Supreme Court hearing date, next year hearing date in respect to reservation policy, which was supposed to get implemented from this year. And in case the Supreme Court decides and give the judgment on that day, then it will be very clear. Accordingly, the process will move. Okay, since all the states are starting their registration, and they keep their registration done, and after All India round 1 result is published, so it won't take much time for a state counseling authority to give the result. Okay, so the counseling won't be delayed. That's the intention. So you need to be in proactive mode in order to see the notification for your state counseling. Okay, and you must register. There are states where you don't get the eligibility to register after round 1. In round 2 you may not be able to register, so you have to register upfront in the round 1 itself, else you may lose some opportunities. Okay, in case on 16th the judgment doesn't come, then what may happen? They might give a next date for hearing, because reservation is such a complex thing which doesn't get resolved in such a quick time, and we have been witnessing the same. So what may happen? See, you take a look at MDS counseling process. MDS counseling process was on hold. The result got published last year in the month of December, 31st December. Okay, since then the counseling was on hold, and still we have just second round completed. It's not completed yet. The counseling was on hold due to OBC reservation in All India quota, and now also is on hold. NEET PG counseling on hold, particularly All India counseling, All India quota counseling process is on hold due to reservation. So in case on 16th the judgment doesn't come, okay, and we get next hearing, there is possibility that they will put in a stay order on the reservation policy and let the All India counseling process go ahead without reservation being implemented. And whenever the decision comes, that time they will decide what to do, whether to apply the reservation or to apply the reservation from next session. Okay, because the counseling process can't be delayed much. The reason being, they have already declared the next session examination date as on 12th of March. Okay, so they need to make sure that the counseling process completes well ahead, so the candidates also get time, and because there will be risk that two sessions getting merged and 1 year getting vested. Okay, so they won't be doing that. So that's kind of like introspection from NEET mentor side, that what would happen if the decision is not coming on 16th of November, and in case the decision comes on 16th of November, then it's very quite very clear that registration process is going to start, and it will get implemented. So we will notify you all the updates. Okay, and with this note, I'm saying you goodbye, and we will meet again with some other important topics, okay, which will able to help you in the counseling process. And you can visit to us on WhatsApp number and telephone number for the counseling, paid counseling guidance, and any kind of like support and help. So thanks for watching again, and have a great day.